Welcome you students. In today's class, we will see the assembly language code to generate square wave using 8255 ppi. Let's start from square wave. The square wave generator is one type of generator used to generate the waveform in a square. The schematic trigger inverts like TTL are used to construct this generator. This generator is used in signal processing and in electronics. A square wave or pulse can easily be generated by microprocessor. The microprocessor sends high and then low signal to generate square wave or pulse. A pulse or square wave can be generated using IO port or SOD line or timer counter, that is 8253. Generate square wave using IO port. To generate square wave, connections are made as shown in this figure. The pin PB0 of the port B of 8255.2 is used for taking output. This is connected to a buffer, this one 7407. The final output is taken from the buffer terminal, this one. The control word used in the program is 98H to make port B an output port. How port B act as an output port? To see through the control word register. D0 to D7. This is for port C, lower part. This is for port B. This is for mode selection for port B. This one is the port C, upper. This is port A. This is the mode selection for port A. This is the mode set flag. So this one is 90. Here we are considering the 98, means 1001. Mode set flag is set to 1 when port A, port B, port C are defined. So this bit is 1. Here this one is the for port A. This 1 means port A act as an input port. Here the aim is for port B making output port, acting as a output port. So this one is the port C upper. Port C upper is in group A with the port A. So this one is also 1. Next 0 0 0. This is for mode 0 and this is for port B is 0, means it act as a output port. Port C is lower is also 0. This one is for port B. So in this manner 98, that is port B, act as an output port. Here the assembly language program to generate square wave using IO port. So this is memory address, machine code of this instruction, all instruction, label, mnemonics, operand and comments are there in this program. So let's start from the memory address 2400 MVI A, 98H. Means A having the 98, that is the control word. To get the control word, to act as an output port for port B. Out 08. Initialize the port with 08, that is in control word register. 4 bit are 000 and next 4 bit are 1000. Now MVI A, 00. Move 00 into accumulator, means initialize the accumulator to 00. Now out 09. Make port B low. Means last 4 bit of control word is 1001. This is for upper port C. Port B 0, so it acts as output port. Now call delay 1. Call the delay 1 subroutine. MVI A, 01. Move 01 into accumulator. Now accumulator having the 01 data. Out 09. Make PB0 high. Call delay 2. Call the delay 2 to subroutine. JMP loop. Jump to the loop. Now jump to the loop, that is MVI A, 00. MVI B, 02. Get count for delay. Decrement B means B is decremented by 02 to 01. Decrement register B by 1. J and Z go. Is B equal to 0? Count is going on. So there is no jump. Then go to level. Is B equal to 0? No. Then jump to go at the level. Then RAT instruction is executed. MVI C, 02. Get count for delay, that is 02. Decrement C by 1, that is 01. Z back. Then again decremented by 1, then it is set to 00. Is C equal to 0? No, then go to back. If it is 0, then return. Here the delay 1 control the time period for which the square wave remain low, that is 0. And delay 2 control the time for which the wave remains high, that is 1. If time period for low and high are to be kept equal, the count in register B and C, this one, are made equal. For such a case, there is no need of two subroutines. Only one delay subroutine will be called at two places, that is at 2408 and 240F. Memory address. There will be slight difference in timing of low and high due to the instruction jump loop. If accuracy is desired, this can be adjusted by suitable adjustment in the counts of register B and C. The difference can also be minimized by inserting the two NOP instruction in delay subroutine. The instruction JMP loop has been used at the end of the program to repeat the whole process to generate the square wave. It is not required when a pulse is to be generated. If the generated pulse is to be observed on CRO, in that case JMP loop has to be used to repeat the process. Thank you.